Dear friends, I am Srinivas Ayyagari. I am from Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh, and now presently settled in Bengaluru. I worked for a public sector bank for around 3.5 decades, and I opted retirement and came back. So, after retirement, my mind has become extremely free, away from the shackles of official issues. So I thought, how should I make myself a happy person? So what is happiness here? Is it smiling away or laughing at any time like laughing clubs? I just went into a hibernation for about a week, just in pursuit of knowing the real me in me. So many doubts, so many things which I do not know. Who am I? Whether Srinivas is this or inside, I do not know that. God has given me a path and He made me to go into a serious self-introspection by going into a thoughtless state of meditation. A deep state of meditation which makes you feel you are like a bubble in the air. In fact, float in the air. You got immense energy which you cannot even carry. You feel really that you cannot carry this energy. I can't tell you how much bliss you get out of that. Fortunately, I started experiencing that ultimate bliss of me, the me in me. I do not know what happened subsequently. All the gates in my brain started opening one by one. The things which I was never doing earlier started myself doing anything. I was away from my native place for so many, most part of me. In fact, forget my language, mother language too. But now I am able to write, express myself in a beautiful way on any subject, whatever I take. And people are appreciating, Srinivas, your writings are very good. They are in fact touching our hearts. It is nothing from me. Something inside me is making me doing all these magics and dramas. So, when people say you are good, I tend to do more. So like that, I took the appreciations very seriously and I started developing my hobby of writing. It's not like that. I am starting expressing what is stored in my heart. B is a different shades of human life, human personality, evolution, the mind, how it thinks, what is a happiness, what is a real tragedy, what is a life, what is a death. I do not know, I am a layman in fact, but I started going intricacies. Till now, I do not know the real philosophy. But the real philosophy of what is there in my heart, I am able to express to my friends. So, I wanted to make my ideas, my thoughts and life and different shades of different phases of human life, which I feel can be refined to make yourself a wonderful stay in this planet called Earth. Every minute, every second, you should go on enjoying, lapping up the happiness around you. Never you should think that this life is a curse to you. It's a beautiful life given by the God. So with that intention, I thought with the limited circle of my WhatsApp groups, I thought I may not be able to reach a wider audience. So today, my dear friends, I thought of opening myself, my heart, my thoughts, my ideas to the wider audience by means of starting a YouTube channel. I have put my own name because I started loving myself. The first thing in any psychology, everybody will say, start loving yourself. I love myself, my name, even though it is not mine, it is one of these bodies. I love Srinu, so I have put my own name here, Srinu's channel. In this channel, I am going to put my thoughts, which In fact, most of you will not be finding it in the normal YouTube channel, which are more of commercial in nature. The title will be something and the matter will be something else. Just for the purpose of number of clicks, they do all these magics and gimmicks here. I wanted to ventilate my feelings on all these subjects like philosophy, psychology, how a person should be in the society to gain the maximum happiness. My only subject, one and the only subject now I am doing is how to live happily with contentment. Happiness is at the soul level, not at the mind level. Inside, that is called Atmanandam. How you feel that? What do you get? How do you get that? If you do something, what do you get? So all these things, what is my experience for the so many days and weeks, I want to share with you, my dear friends. So I forget to tell you, I do also sing the music. I love music. I'm not a professional singer. As I have told you, this music is also coming out of me automatically. I do humming, some sort of a humming, but never ever singing a song. But there are many people who in fact, they like my songs and they encourage me, please sing, please sing. So I feel my music is like it's a bridge between me and the God, the divine personality. In fact, when I am going into my meditation, a state of thoughtlessness, for 15-20 minutes, or at least about half an hour, I sing myself fully, wholeheartedly, from the deep inside my heart. Then my mind gets clarified and it gets a beautiful, peaceful lake-like atmosphere without any vibrations. Then I go into a thoughtless state, thinking about nothing, just listening my breath. You will feel a new glow is glowing in your heart and your lungs. It is a state of ultimate happiness, my dear friends. So, all these experiences I really want to share with you. I do write. I think I have already shared with you. Prolifically, I started writing myself. And my hobby is to make others happy by talking, by doing something. I'm not a Warren Buffett or this Tata Birla, but I'm a very small middle class person. So, whatever I can do with my talk, with my actions, I always try to make the other person beside me happy. I work for a hospice called Karunashraya in Bengaluru. It is in Kondlahalli Gate near Marthahalli. It is a world-class hospice and palliative care unit which mainly caters to the needs of end-of-the-life patients and these deadly diseases and all. People, they come there in the last stage of their life and everything is being provided absolutely free, right from the food treatment, the stay for the relations and everything, even psychological management, everything they do it free of cost with ultimate devotion. In fact, I am totally amazed by the service that they are rendering to the humanity. So I myself made a part of that great organization. I am a very small droplet in that. I sit in some corner cutting the vegetables, talking to the people, comforting them, cajoling them with empathy, and they feel very happy. I do sing I do conduct around once in a month. I do sing for about 1 hour or so to all the patients will be assembled in one place. The patients we can't even talk, with oxygen cylinders, everybody, they'll be assembling around 50 to 20 people. For half an hour or 1 hour, I make them happy, forget about the reality, immerse themselves in the ocean of music, sing for the songs which they select, and I make them very happy. So this is, I feel I'm very lucky to be a part of the greatest organization. My dear friends, the channel YouTube channel what I am going to start is named after me, Srinu's channel. The date and timing, this is only a teaser, a curtain raiser. So I'll be sharing all the details with you shortly. Please do support, please do subscribe, please start viewing, please sharing your views so that we can exchange our thoughts in a much more meaningful way and make our journey in this earth a most pleasurable way. Thank you, dear friends. God bless you.